Guys, and I'm bringing you yet another case study of a client of ours up in Queensland. They are a pest control company, so they deal with cockroaches and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, they basically they're not really getting much traffic from their website, so they inquired, and after we had a good look, it was pretty evident that the existing site they've got was certainly not going to be delivering them the results they wanted. So we have rebuilt this entire site, and we've made it a lot more user-friendly. We've put in there some typical conversion elements, which they're stoked about. So I'm just going to run through a few little things. First of all, the design layout, which is on the old site, really wasn't that great. The images are not good either, and it's just a little bit cluttered, and it's just a bit busy. So we needed to clear all this up, and we also needed to get some services on the right pages, on their own pages, so that we could optimize them for the search engines. So, if I look down here, it's a bit clunky. So anyway, the one that we've rebuilt is a lot nicer, and you can see we've sort of cleaned up the navigation here. They've got a blog, and they've got a case study page and all this kind of stuff. And you can see as we scroll down that it really does look a lot better, and it's a lot more professional, and it will get them a lot more conversion, when people land on that site. We've got nice new images and all this kind of stuff, and they're also going to be pretty proactive in getting us a lot of the images that they need as well. It's turned out very well, and looking forward for them, it means they've now got a solution that they can really that they can start adding content on, and they can start putting case studies, and they can start really treating it as, a bit of a marketing foundation. So whereas before they weren't able to make any of those changes, they weren't really able to tweak it the way they wanted to, now they can. So if you'd like something similar, then head across to tradiewebguys.com.au and reach out to us. We'd love to help you.